Well, this isn't going to help you sleep better the next time you check into a hotel. Our colleagues at Marketplace have conducted the biggest ever test of cleanliness in Canadian hotels. Here's Erica Johnson with the dirty details.
Microbiologist Keith Warner incubates samples at the University of Guelph, samples we collected from hotels. Marketplace checked into 6 of Canada's biggest chains, tested 54 rooms in Vancouver, Toronto, and Montreal.
It's looking a little worse for wear, this room, too.
Then used black light to find out what's lurking on surfaces.
Do you see this liquid?
What is that?
What'd we find? Dirt and bodily fluids you might expect.
It could be urine, but you can see.
Disgusting.
But most disturbing, we discovered all kinds of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, including C. difficile and MRSA, superbugs that can make the elderly, pregnant women, and people with compromised immune systems very sick.
You found a superbug, a bug that can kill people in a high-end hotel room.
It's a finding on a faucet, which should have been cleaned, was very alarming.
In fact, antibiotic-resistant bacteria was found in every hotel chain we tested, on light switches, remote controls, hair dryers, and countertops. Those bugs can be killed with a strong cleaner and a fresh cloth, but watch how this housekeeper at an Econo Lodge cleans the toilet, then uses the same rag on the counter and sink. To talk about that cleaning practice and other worrisome test results, we head to the parent company behind Econo Lodge to speak with Tim Oldfield. We show him our hidden camera footage.
Does that look like it would be meeting a guest's expectation of a clean room?
It wouldn't look like it's meeting my expectation of the standards we set as an organization.
Econo Lodge and other hotel chains tell us our findings have prompted them to review their cleaning practices. Erica Johnson, CBC News, Vancouver.
And for more on the dirt on hotels, including which chain gets the lowest ranking, tune in tomorrow night. Marketplace airs Fridays on CBC television, 8 o'clock local time, 8:30 in Newfoundland and Labrador.